Hi Shalise, this is a short video describing some of the map edits that I'm suggesting you do. So the first would be to combine the land ownership map with this overview map, because I think we can get all this information on one map. So what I'd suggest is potentially moving the land ownership legend up here and then putting the other legend down here. So the idea would be on this map we could have basically this other information like the call out for Beaver River, Beaver, Tusher Mountains, Birch Creek, and then have this information. So you'd remove the South Creek watershed because it's already on the other legend, but you'd have basically two legends. Give that a shot and see what you think of it. See if that works out. So on the other maps, a couple questions. So RCA, we have a very poor category now, and I'm not seeing that on the maps. So I don't know if you purposely pulled that off or if it should be on there. The other thing is that the confined, unimpacted, and the intermittence looks very similar. So maybe one of two options. One would be that we only show the categories that are actually on the maps. So I don't think there's any confined, unimpacted, and there's no very poor, I don't think, throughout the watershed. So that might be one way that we just show those categories, and then we wouldn't have to worry about changing the intermittent streams to something that wouldn't be confused with the unimpacted. So that's a potential idea there. So same goes for this map here. I'd say we only show the categories, and maybe you've already done that, just showing the categories that show up on the map. And so if you've already done that, that's great, and if not, we could just make sure that's done. These look fine. One little maybe nitpicky thing that I'm seeing is maybe in the legend, the lakes, this color isn't exactly the same. I see this on the map itself as a couple shades lighter blue, so that could be something that we modify. So on this map, there's another layer that we have that's called the study area boundary, and I can provide the link to that on Box. But what I was thinking is we could have it's basically that's just outside the valley bottom, and it cuts off basically here and here. So I think it'd be a good layer to have on this map. On these zoom in maps, I think that we should get rid of the roads, just because this road here and this road here have been decommissioned, and so I think that if we just have it off the map, we're better off. So that'd probably be pretty helpful. Then I was thinking maybe if we could round these on the legend itself, maybe just 100-meter segments might be better than 110, just to be a little clear division. So I think once again on these maps, if we don't have a confined, unimpacted, that doesn't show up, and if we don't have an intact, I guess we don't show it, if we're following the same protocol. It looks like here you're just showing the ones that show up, so that's fine. And I'd say on this, just keep all the categories. I think that's going to be clearer. So the roads would be off this map and this map and this map, in this map. And then also on this map have the roads off, and on this one have the study area boundary. We just call it study area. And maybe we do it in some type of outline. Maybe I can share with you an idea via email. Okay. They look great. All right. Thank you.